More than 100,000 small whales, dolphins, and porpoises are intentionally killed each year worldwide. In most cases, these are unregulated and illegal hunts. Typically, they are unsustainable and poorly documented, and their impact on populations is unknown. The world's largest kill of small cetaceans is in Peru, where around 15,000 dolphins are killed annually using hand harpoons to be used as bait in shark fisheries. A considerable amount of dolphin meat is also sold illegally in Peruvian markets for human consumption. The killing of small cetaceans across the globe has dramatically increased over the last 2 decades, both in terms of number of individuals and range of species targeted. Illegal and unregulated fishing is overexploiting fish resources. Small cetaceans are increasingly hunted as aquatic wild meat to meet the animal protein demands for an ever-growing human population. Reports of cetacean meat being used as bait for shark fishing are of particular concern, since shark fishing has been intensifying as a consequence of the demand for shark fins in Asia, specifically in China. In fact, there is growing evidence of the vital role cetaceans play in the healthy functioning of the marine ecosystem. This includes fertilizing occupied habitat with iron-rich feces and circulated micronutrients, which improves ecosystem productivity and acts as a repository for carbon dioxide. Upon death, the carcasses of whales and dolphins sequester carbon and increase biodiversity on the ocean floor. These functions support healthy marine ecosystems on which marine life, including commercially viable fish stocks, depend. A study in Nunavik, Canada, found a correlation between consumption of beluga meat and poor intellectual function and attention in schools. Consequently, health authorities in several countries warn that pregnant women and other vulnerable population groups should limit or even stop their consumption of odontocide products. Some other studies across the world have found that eating big or small cetaceans affect the fetal development of the nervous system, blood pressure of the children, a poorly reaction to immunizations, risk of developing Parkinson's disease, and so on. Declining fish stocks caused by unsustainable, industrial-scale fishing practices is pressuring coastal communities, creating socio-economic circumstances that fuel their increased engagement in damaging and unsustainable fishing activities, such as ignoring bans on fishing within marine protected areas, using illegally sized mesh in nets, and failing to accurately report catches. Such unsustainable activity includes the capture and trade of cetaceans. Small cetaceans are under serious anthropogenic pressure on a global scale. The cumulative impacts of habitat degradation, climate change, chemical pollution, marine debris, ocean noise, exposure to toxins, ship strikes, bycatch, prey depletion due to commercial overfishing and hunting, unsustainable tourism, live capture for the entertainment industry are taking their toll on an increasing number of species. We are attacking them in all flanks. Using dolphins as bait to increase capture of sharks is ecologically irresponsible. In Peru, the killing of dolphins for bait to capture and kill sharks results in the simultaneous and unsustainable removal of 2 top predators. Further evidence of a collapse in shark populations include that 85% of the sharks caught are juveniles. Small whales and dolphins are harpooned and then either lashed to the side of the hunting vessel where they are left to bleed out, or are brought on board the vessel where they will slowly suffocate. Death can take hours. We need to raise public awareness and protect marine areas globally. We depend on them.